Out of here. So we're walking in, y'all.
What? You don't want no shade? Come on, you take this and put that down.
Okay.
Where are you going?
I'm trying to see where you going.
Okay. I couldn't get no flowers. I couldn't get no flowers.
What is a Chanel bag doing right there?
You gotta see what's in it first. I don't like being on vacation.
Thank you, baby.
I don't like to be.
Thank you, babe.
I
like it already, and I don't even know what's in it. It's so cute.
Come on.
I'm so nervous.
Why are you so nervous, baby?
I don't know. I was recording already, babe.
I know. You gotta see what's in there.
Oh, babe. You know I love my Uggs, too.
Oh, what you say? Yeah, I love a Chanel bag now. Boy, you know, that just dropped. That's a.
Oh, I love this bag.
Yeah, me too.
You definitely picked that.
Yeah, you know I did. Oh.
I love these, babe.
Yeah, they match the bag, babe. We was running around the mall. We was running around the mall. Babe, I think I got it right. It's bra size. What I got? I'm wrong?
Oh, no. You're not off. You're not off.
How off I am?
Just one number.
Man, 36. You know
but 34s are good, too.
I want to say you know
I do both. Thank you, Daddy.
I picked those out.
So much. Did you take a picture of your setup?
No, I didn't. Why would I take a picture?
Babe, what am I going to pose?
Huh?
What am I going to pose?
You opening it.
Huh? Thank you, baby.
Happy Valentine.
You
would have had two big balloons, but listen, I had got out the car.
And one flew away.
Phew. I said, oh, wow.
Babe, you did great.
Babe, you got to open that Chanel. You know how we was testing out Chanel's in there. We was testing out Chanel's in there.
My dress for tonight, y'all. I didn't do any vlogging today. They got me right. I did some recording. They got me the matching shoes to my bag. She did really good, y'all. She went and got me some perfume from Chanel. And y'all know I love me anything Uggs. Got some pink Ugg boots. I got the rubber boots. They did really good. Thanks, babe.
It's giving expensive, it's giving. Spend it on me. It's giving.
I'm not like the news.
Football shit, because I swear to God, the Bengals are supposed to win.
By 3. And look who won by 3.
Hold on, wait.
She like that. Booty do like that. Ronnie, bend it over for booty do.
Oh, I'm sorry, man. Why you buy me like that? Don't bring them boodles over here. I'm still gonna be here. Alright, bitch. No, I'm not. Not even off.
We are packing up and going home. So my bag was exactly 50 pounds coming home. I don't know what it was when I left, but it's exactly 50 pounds going home. It was nice meeting y'all. It was exactly, you too. It was exactly 50 pounds. I'm definitely the GOAT, okay?
Yeah, fun.
You had fun?
Texas. Not even at night.
What?